I'm a gamer. You see? Yeah. Ow!
Jad Show.
Jad Show.
Jad Show.
Art, science, books, toys, learning, fun. Today's show. Making a volcano.
Hi guys. Today we're going to be doing a volcano.
Nice.
Now for the first step.
Okay.
Well, I already got 2 bases. Get 2 of these
Uh-huh.
cardboard, and then put this sticky foam tape.
I see.
Stick it off, put this side, and this side has the rough side.
Okay.
Now, I need a string. Where's the string?
Wow.
Where did that come from?
Are you a genie?
Well, now the string, there's little slits on the side, and these 2 gotta match up. So first, you open up this slit,
Ooh, okay.
put it through here. Well, now you put it through 2 slits, then wrap it around here.
I see.
Now
That was fast.
we get, well, we're gonna make mostly cast, because this is mostly made, it's supposed to be a cast.
Oh? Okay.
And you take it and you cut a lot of pieces.
Oh dear. Careful.
Put it in warm water
Okay.
for like a second. Then take it out. Then just strip it on. So the whole thing is covered.
Uh-huh.
So you gotta get this cast kind of strip kind of thing. And then dip it in warm water. And like leave it there for like 3 seconds. And then
Awesome.
take it out. After that, let it dry for a little bit. And then when it dries, you get to paint.
Nice.
Well, now we gotta let it dry now.
All right.
This is rock solid.
Wow.
Well, now this is all done. Now it's time for painting.
Oh, yay.
This is the easiest project that I ever did. Do you know why I'm making these dots?
No? Why?
To get over the rocks.
Jad.
Did you know lava could be like a flash flood?
No.
Well, now time for it to erupt.
Oh, wow.
First, baking soda. Now the color.
Uh-huh.
Well, then put some paint or food dye. We didn't have any food dye, so we just used paint. No. Look, vinegar.
Careful. Awesome. Good job.
That's cool.
Oh, wow.
It's real fun.
Oh, yes.
Well, bye. I'll see you on the next show.